digestive acid that you have inside your stomachs right now. The difference is this one works much faster. Much faster. So the idea is mixing this with this, we're going to get a pretty significant chemical reaction. Roll on your phones if you guys want to record this up. Right?
I'm ready.
All right, everyone good? Again, just fair warning, watch where the gases go because it is going to smell pretty noxious. Here we go. Yeah, we got to go. The bell's going to ring very soon. I want to have time for this to run. All right, so think to yourself, what are the indicators of a chemical reaction? A change in temperature, a change in color, the creation of an odor, bubbling, so releasing of a gas. You could also have the formation of precipitate.
Oh.
But the most important one is